Hey y'all, so it's Alanaj back again with another video. And sorry if I sound a little raspy. I just woke up like probably about 15 minutes ago. And then hopped out, got in the shower and stuff because I'm going to a temple party, and I just wanted to show y'all like how I would get ready. This is not gonna be a typical get ready with me though, because I don't have foundation, but like I don't have foundation, but I have concealer and powder. So yeah, I'm about to get started. So what I do is, my hair is pretty much gonna stay like this. I just need to fix my baby hairs on this side. But what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna try to sit in front of this light so that you like see like onward. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna just grab my moisturizer. Y'all know my dual moisturizer. So what I really wanted to talk about was temple parties versus Penn State parties, and how the prices are different. For like majority of the temple events you have to pay, and for a lot of the PSU events you don't have to pay. Well, at least girls don't have to pay. Every once in a while temple will do a girls get in for free until 10:30 or 11, something like that. But for Penn State, majority of the parties, it was every time you went, you got in for free just because you're a girl. But that's because, you know, they want to fix the ratio of boys to girls and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab my concealer because I do not have any foundation. I pretty much broke this thing trying to get foundation out. Yeah, there's nothing in here. So I think that's kind of interesting that that there's like the fee difference. I think that's pretty interesting. The fee difference is definitely an interesting point. So yeah, I'm using my Fenty Beauty concealer, color 360. Y'all know this. I don't think I wet my sponge, so I'm gonna go and wet my sponge. Oh, also, I totally forgot to mention like my socials and all that stuff. My socials will be right here. Like right here, so you can follow them. They'll be right here. You'll be, as a matter of fact, I'll put them over here and try to put them in a different color than white so you guys can see them. But they'll be right here so you guys can follow them. Definitely follow my Instagram and my Twitter. Mostly my Instagram, but yeah, follow what you can. Yeah, this is not wet. I will be back. Alrighty, y'all. It's like I was saying, I wet my sponge, and now I am just blending all of that concealer in. Yeah, getting all that together. I'm sorry if I'm like looking white on camera. You can see I'm not right here, but I don't know. So what I was talking about, sorry if my family is loud. The 3/4, I'm the fourth of course, the 3/4 of my family just came back from the movies, so my bad if you can like hear them and my dog, because he's all excited or whatever, because it's been quiet for the last couple of hours. So yeah, I'm just trying to like show y'all like my actual face that's not you know. But yes, like I was saying, that's really what the whole, I think, main difference is. The main difference is the prices, definitely. Uber is also a difference. Here in Philadelphia, Uber's like slightly cheaper, but I think the reason for that is because there's more Ubers like allowed in the area. You know what I mean? Like at Penn State, you literally have Ubers and the free bus system for students. That's another thing. Here, Philadelphia, we students don't have free bus systems because SEPTA doesn't work that way. When at Penn State, the town came after the school, so any type of transportation or anything like that is going to be free for the students because they technically came first. And so it's like the town has to cater to them, that they're line cash, and you know, I think every restaurant or something outside or on campus and a little bit off campus accepts their line cash and stuff. So their line cash is like Temple students' Diamond Dollars. So yeah, they kind of accept the same types of things. I'm not gonna do my eyebrows. That's why I did not do them. This is really like just a little something something. Highlight, of course, though. But yeah, so that's pretty much like pricing and transportation differences. They're like talking so loud. One thing that is similar, I want to say, is how people dress is somewhat similar, because at the bigger parties, which every party that Temple has is like considered a big party, I think, or at least like a party you don't want to miss, but like you can miss it, it's okay if you do, type of thing. But most of them, like, you want to attend, and so since you want to attend it, it makes it a little bit harder to, what am I trying to say? Since you want to attend the party, and like it makes it a little bit more difficult to have like certain pricing and stuff like that. Like you can't have like nothing like cheap unless it's the beginning of whatever is going on. Like say the party just became like the party just came out, basically. It just became released and all that stuff. This is a big edge. Like this is gonna be annoying to do that. But anyway, yeah, I'm doing my edges right now. My face is pretty much done, like, you know, whatever. These edges, I can do them, but I'm not really worried about them since my hair falls over this way. I did do my hair myself. However, it is getting on my nerves and coming out, but it did last like a good week, I want to say. But I need to learn how to like tuck my hair better for singulates, because my hair is coming out of these twists. There's like so much hair right there, yo. That's not even one of my edges. Like that's what's killing me. That's not one of my baby hairs, of course. But like I have to lay it down and make it look like it is because of how my hair is flipped over. But what I was saying about the, look at that. That looks a hot freaking mess. But it's okay. It's okay. Because it's a giant edge that we will just try to make look like something. What was I talking about? Oh, like the majority of the pricing and stuff. Like when certain promoters put out that there's a party, you have like the early bird special, and you have you know, like the early bird, you know, you have like a couple tickets here and there that's like $4 or like $5, something like that, and they use like some type of ticket, online ticket thing, something like that. Yeah, so for Penn State, I only remember us using like one type of ticket. I think it was Eventbrite that we used, and Temple uses Eventbrite as well. Not Temple itself, but like Temple students that throw the parties use Eventbrite. So there's that way of doing it. And what you basically, like, you, depending on how early you click on whoever's link you click on it, you know, you see the advertisement for the party, you get whatever type of link or something, like any one of those things, and you pay. So I know for Penn State I didn't really have to do that because, like I said, the ratio and all that stuff, like, oh my gosh, I went to sleep and like, I don't know what happened, but I just sound like so nasally. Sounds a mess. Yeah, but you know, you go to sleep. No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm all over the place with this. I'm so sorry, y'all. Like, I'm still gonna upload it. This is really kind of like a talk with me type of thing. Hopefully I say what I'm saying. But basically, long story short, you know, go on Eventbrite, you look for the ticket, whatever, it says $4, like $10. Like, you see the other prices depending on when you happen to buy the ticket. And then like the most expensive price is usually like that last final price, unless that person happens to have a sale or something. And then you do that, or you risk paying at the door, which paying at the door is just never smart to do unless you know that you're that type of person that will be early enough to be able to pay at the door. So for Temple, it's not smart to pay at the door, because you always have random people that'll be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go to that party, and then get to the door and there's all of these people there, like tons and tons of people who have tickets, people who have free tickets, and they have like everything. They have everything. That's what you get, people who have like everything. And you don't want to be that person that's sitting there like without a ticket, and you traveled all the way down there, or you spent Uber fees or anything like that. So yeah, so that's one of the other things, is like Penn State, you're more guaranteed to get in if you pay at the door. Temple, you are not. There's just too many people. There's too many colleges around the area. These parties get out, like word gets out that there's a party, especially who it's hosted by. So it's really, really important to, like, if you want to go out, buy your ticket. Which, what time is it? 9:59. So I think, my bad, I think my party, not mine, like I'm not hosting it, but I think the party I'm going to is about to start. So I just want to say, oh, the other difference is just how people act. Like, Penn State parties, it's like 3 different types of parties at Penn State parties. There's 3 different types. There's, you know, frat row parties and stuff like that. And then there's apartment parties. There's the club parties. And then, so there's actually 4. And then there's like kickback type of things. With Temple, so far I've only seen the club parties, venues, such like stuff like that. And then I've also seen It is hot in here with all these lights. I've also seen like the kickback type of parties. I haven't really seen any other ones. I went to a birthday party that was at my friend's apartment, but that doesn't really count. Like an apartment party is like somebody says, yo, throwing this random party, DM me for the addy. That's what they say. And then you respond to DM them, yo, like how many people gonna be there, who gonna be there, what's gonna go on. You get the address, you show up, it's an apartment, and everybody like swarms into the apartment. That's pretty much what an apartment party is. Kickbacks, they're different. Usually have flyers out like the week of, or like the Friday before that coming week. You have an announcement of that. But apartment parties, like, that's really like, there's a busy weekend, a lot of people are up there, so people decide to throw parties. So I'm going to finish getting ready. I'm going to throw on my outfit, and then I will show you guys that in just a second. Alrighty, this is the, I'm gonna show you guys, like, I'm gonna move the whole camera, but this is just the shirt I have right now. It's just a little cami, like half cami type of thing that I got from Charlotte. And then I just have jeans on. Honestly, that's really what it is. I was thinking about wearing leggings, but I don't know. Another thing, like, make sure you got your fees in order, all that stuff. Like, come on, guys, you guys know. Don't be sitting there spending money on an Uber and then you go to the party and you don't got no Uber money to get back. Like, what? Don't do that. Don't do that, period. Don't do it. It's kind of self-explanatory, but yeah, like, just do that. And that's pretty much all I want to say for this video. I have to leave. I gotta put my Apple Watch on, but I have to leave. I will see you guys later. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Tell me if you liked it or not. I will get foundation soon so I can do a proper, you know, tutorial. I mean, I have one up on my channel, but you know, a proper tutorial, or if I want to go anywhere and do another get ready with me type talk video type of thing, like, you guys have that opportunity to see everything. Because honestly, all I did was put some concealer underneath my eye, put some powder on, and highlight. Like, that's all I did. And I'm gonna put lip gloss on too, but it's all the way over there. Nobody has time for me to get up, so yeah. But I just want to end this video saying, you know, please subscribe. I think we are at 245 or 246, somewhere floating around there. So we're like 4 to 5 people away from hitting 250 subscribers, which is halfway to 300, and that is amazing, and I cannot thank you guys enough. Any video requests that you have, please comment down below. I think a haul is coming soon. I'm not going to say when, but I want to say soon. But I'm not saying when because I don't know. But soon. So yeah, just let me know what you guys want to do, what you want to see, what we want to react to. I said react to. This is not a reaction channel. Do not do that. But yeah, like, what you guys want me to talk about and stuff like that. So I will see you guys next week or the week after. I don't know, depending on how busy it is next week. I think I should be good. But yeah, I will see you guys soon. Thank you for tuning in. This I don't think you guys like the name J-Bay, so I just say Love, so we're gonna go with Loves. I will see you guys later, loves. Bye.